right, what's up, peeps? Okay, so I think what I want to do is redo my hair, do it all over. And well, I know that's what I want to do because I bought some hair, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the first time I'm seeing it myself, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Of course, it comes from none other than China. I just got a burst of energy. All right. This time last year, I was doing my locks, doing my sister locks. Okay. So it comes with a bonnet and some wig caps. Oh, and some lashes. I don't really care about any of that except for maybe this. I might put this on. Oh, okay, it's cute. It says Princess, I see. Yeah, I might go and wear that, you know what I'm saying? Okay, it has a closure, but you know, I don't care about that. And it really doesn't look like raw virgin hair. So I'm a little disappointed. This is what one looks like. And it looks super crunchy. It's not giving raw virgin hair. Maybe, I don't know what raw virgin hair is. It's a deep curly hair texture. I believe it's 14 inches long. Oh, it's 14 inches. Okay. 14 inches long. I wonder if it'll be better. Oh, wow. You can tell this is whack. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this hair down, take it down and just see what my hair looks like without that. I don't know. So yeah, I think I am gonna take it down and then get to work on it. So I'll be back after a while when I take most of it down. I'm gonna put on a good movie, a good few movies, and yeah, get started because now I just have so much energy. Okay, let's hear this on a bundle thing. And of course, it's very thin at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, it is a tighter curl than the one I got in my head, so I'm hoping that'll be better. I mean, we'll have to see. But I'll be back once I'm done taking my hair down. We'll see what my hair looks like all down. So as you can see, I've taken down my extensions. I removed them all, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like the way I look, but I'm so torn because, as you know, I did buy some more hair, and I want to put it in because I'm thinking about when I have to go to work and how much time will I have if I don't do it right now. If I don't put the hair in right now, when will I be able to put it back in later? And I'm thinking, oh, that'll take so long. I do like the way it looks. It's giving, you know, especially the bang part. The bang part is very crazy, and it's finally sort of falling in my forehead. And also still really like my edges and stuff. So, and yeah, it just looks, it's super cute. It's giving kind of natural. It's got like a flyaway sort of feeling right here. And I just did my makeup a little bit just to kind of see if I know how to do it still. So if you're thinking, oh no, your makeup doesn't look really good, it's okay, because the makeup is gonna come. It's gonna come with time. But you know, I'm stuck in the past with the makeup. I haven't done it in so long, so we'll get there. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and let me just give you a little spinny spin of what it is. You can't see any parts or anything really because it's like in need of a it's in need of a retie, but maybe you can see more. I don't know if that makes it available to see, but yeah, these are them. These are these locks that I've been kind of covering up and shielding from the world. These are them. These are sister locks, believe it or not. And even though my edges are a little bit chewed, like the edges are, oh my goodness. That's also in part due to the minoxidil, and I don't know, like I just kind of have very fragile edges. I have edges, but they don't grow very well. So that's something that's a challenge of mine that I will fix as time goes on. But it's not something I'm really worried about because it's dark. As long as it's dark, I don't really care what kind of stuff I have going on. You know, my biggest challenge is having thinning hair. So if it looks dark and full, I can have a bald head, basically. I mean, I could have an almost bald head. You know what I mean? But as long as it looks like I have hair up there, I think I care about that more so than I do about whether or not the locks are long, you know? So there's that. I want to go ahead and just talk about the hair a little bit. I actually did one of my locks with the hair on it, and the hair is really cute. Like, it has a much tighter curl pattern than the other one, and so I think this is actually going to fit me much better. The texture is also a lot rougher. I wonder if that's because it's actual virgin hair, but I did look online and I saw some stuff talk about double drawn hair, and I wish I had tried to get that, because if you look at this hair, excuse me, it's very thin at the bottom. So yeah, I do wish I had gotten, like, I wish I had gotten all the information about the hair before I got it. You can see it gets super thin, it gets tapered, and I know that that's kind of how hair is supposed to be, sort of, but I still want to use it. I'm looking forward to using it, but I'm just sort of in love with the way this looks right now. It just looks so natural and youthful and pretty that I think I'm just gonna rock with this for a little bit. And then I don't really have very much to report, except I have been using my agarwood oil, and the only thing I have to report about this, first of all, I love this bottle. It has so much perfume in it, but I won't put it behind my ears anymore because I feel as though it's making my ears itch. So I will just continue to put it here on my wrist. You know, I can put some on my neck too, like right here, where I think my pulse points are. It still smells really, really good. Like, I'm so glad I made that purchase of agarwood. It really adds such a unique and intense component to the fragrance, and so yeah, that was definitely a treat for myself, and I'm so proud of me for giving that to me. You know, yeah, you know that Snoop Dogg thing. He's like, last but not least, I want to thank me. That's how I feel. Like, you know what, I'm gonna thank me for taking the time out to say, well, Bree, you can have this because you work so hard, and I'm gonna do this for you. Anyway, there's not much else I need to be saying as far as my hair goes. I think you've seen it. You can see what's going on with it. Probably the next time you see me, it might be in some kind of, it might be in some extensions or something like that. I love how full it's looking. It's looking fuller on this side though than it is on this side, and I'm wondering if it's because it needs a slight haircut or something, because look, I don't know, maybe that one. So yeah, I'm not sure why that is, but it don't matter. We're gonna pull it forward to front anyway. But yes, as far as this video is concerned, I'm actually done talking to you all about my hair, and I suppose I'll talk to you all later about something else. Bye.